Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of updating your profile picture on the Truth Social app. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android device, personalizing your profile is a straightforward way to express yourself on the platform. First, open the Truth Social app on your phone. Once the app is open, tap on the profile icon located at the top left. Next, click on the profile option to access your personal details. Once you are on the profile page, look for the Edit Profile button and tap on it. In the Profile Picture section, tap on the picture icon. Then click on Choose a Photo, then select a photo from your device's gallery. Finally, tap on Save at top right. Then click on Save again at bottom to apply the changes. Your new profile picture will now be visible to your followers and others on the platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends.